Welcome to the Amused Nomad, and welcome to our continuing Japan travel series. In this video, we visit the Art Aquarium Museum Ginza. This is an art display featuring displays of live goldfish. The museum is located on the 8th floor of the Mitsukoshi department store in Ginza. We didn't understand that we needed to go into the department store to access the museum and ended up getting a bit lost. We bought our tickets from Klook. We used Klook several times in Japan to buy train tickets and attraction tickets. Their website is in English and it's easy to navigate, and you can pay in your own currency. Klook does not sponsor me, I just recommend them from my experiences. Art Aquarium is a museum of goldfish, an ornamental fish that has been popular in Japan for a very long time. Shortly after entering, you'll find yourself in a quiet space surrounded by subtle lights. There are many tiered hanging lanterns that are historical items that the museum has collected. After the lanterns, you come to the goldfish corridor. The columns of goldfish tanks are lit with multicolored lights. Next is the goldfish collection, rectangular tanks featuring rare breeds that you don't usually see. Here is Origami Ruin. It's supposed to be an expression of origami, the traditional Japanese craft. This piece is called Bamboo Grove in 7 Stages. The cylindrical tanks are organized with the tallest in the middle, representing a bamboo grove. This is also a display of rare breeds of goldfish. This display is called Flowerium, a collaboration project with flower arrangement artist Shogo Kariyazaki. We now come to the Goldfish Waterfall, a multi-layered wall of water undulating in a faint light. This is a goldfish stone lantern. These spherical tanks act as magnifying lenses, making the goldfish appear larger. This is Tenko Ruim. It expresses imaginary flowers blooming in the sky and depicts a fantasy world of flowering aquariums. This is called Inomi Ruim, a heart-shaped pattern that has been used since ancient times in Japan to ward off evil and bring good luck. Next is Shin-anden Ruim, a work with the motif of a traditional Japanese light fixture. One of the last displays is an art exhibit of depictions of goldfish in Japanese art. Just outside the exit of the museum, the Mitsukoshi department store had a display of kabuki costumes. The 8th floor also features a cafe and a deck you can relax on to recover for your next adventure. Have you visited the Art Aquarium Museum Ginza? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. I post new content regularly.